Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I just have to document that thing. You can see that 9% progress bar. 41 out of 41 files have been changed, or I'm not sure. Okay, counting objects, 41 objects. So writing objects, 3 out of 31. I guess my internet is just slow, and probably that's the reason why I'm feeling like I'm a G right now. But you know, I pushed my code to production, which is basically this little thing called GitHub right here. So okay, this is the project I was working on for a client. Yeah, it's a private project. You can see it, you can find it anyway. So yeah, this is the project, and I'm feeling like a G right now because you know only 9% out of the changes I made to the project today. So this is the project. It's a lot of things right here, a lot of files, but alhamdulillah, ladies and gentlemen, I haven't been able to work for such a long period of time, and even after I have you know I have graduated from exams in my college, I couldn't get back into this mode of working for a while. Like honestly, like it's been like, I guess my last exam was on Monday or Tuesday, actually Tuesday. So day before Monday, I'm not sure what do you call it, Tuesday or Tuesday. And so Wednesday, day after Wednesday, Friday, and today is finally Saturday. And I just did this very, very simple and very primitive thing, which is just I put a time, clock timer or fuck. So timer, yeah. For 2 hours. As you can see, I worked only 1 hour of focused work, 1 hour and 9 minutes. Thank God that 1 hour and 9 minutes were so much more productive and was so much more, better. I felt so much better about myself working in that 1 hour and 9 minutes than, I guess, if you combine Wednesday, Friday, and Thursday together, because I was not working on something specific, right? So today I was working on, in this 2 hour frame, 1 hour, I was working specifically on a profile page. Okay, so there is this home page, users visit, and then so I basically worked on this thing as well. So you hover over, there's this profile animation, a little cool animation. You can log out, or you can go to your profile. Okay, you go to your profile, right? And there's this profile page. I couldn't work properly on this thing because it's been only like 1 hour of focused work, and it's already 1:15 p.m. I have to make it better, I get it, but dang it, like this profile page, this thing right here, none of that existed 1 hour and 9 minutes ago. And alhamdulillah, thank God, I made it. And I know that tomorrow I'm gonna wake up, it's gonna be Sunday, and I'm gonna complete this thing as much as I can, right? So it's gonna be probably 3 hours of focused work instead of 2 hours, and I'm just gonna be grinding. Okay, so I'm gonna make this profile picture a real picture of a human being, some kind of internet picture. I'm gonna make this things like a full name, phone number, and all the other things editable, so that people are gonna be able to change their data, right? And oh my god. Okay, so I think I'm gonna deal with this thing after I'm gonna finish recording a video, and then only I'm gonna move on into an admin page. And then after completing that admin page, I'm gonna move on to this thing right here. I have to make a custom player. The problem is that it's a website or web app where people buy these courses, which you and I can watch for free right now. I mean, I can watch for free, but anyway, The problem with this built-in player is there is a function to directly download, and the only way I can escape people downloading it from the website itself if I'm gonna make a custom player. So, you know, display function, there's all of these things. I have to recreate them manually from scratch in code. So because of this one little MF right here, right? And also the ugliness of the custom built-in player, I have to make a custom player from scratch in JavaScript, custom code. But that's a lot harder than just building a web page where people can edit their data and, you know, update their profile picture or you know, something like that basically. So that's why I want to make it, you know, this one, I want to make it in the last moment, okay, the last one. If you ask me, Sanjar, how much of the project have left, because we need to get other $500 which have left, $500. Okay, there's this profile picture, there's admin picture, there's the watch the course page, which is this one, but I showed, dang it, the course page to a client and he didn't said anything. Okay, so he liked the design, yeah, everything is cool, alhamdulillah, except I have to make a custom player. So these buttons work, there's next video, you know, the previous video. I also have to make this button work, but it's not that necessarily, honestly, it's just a cool feature. Everything else except this player is cool, I think. What do you think? You know, so what do you think about it? And then there's payment. So there's this page where person gets data about the course, you know, picture, data, how much it cost. He has to press this button and not get directly to watch the course, but pay and then watch the course. Obviously there should be, you know, blog posts in between, which I usually would have done in Stripe, but Stripe is not available in my country, so I have to get a little creative about it. And also there is this mobile, but I don't think I'm gonna worry too much about it. So I think that should be it. Sorry for not showing my face. Bye bye.